What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable the Steam Remote Play and to play games together. So first you need to install your Steam application and sign up or log in with your account. Now after signing up or logging in, here on the left side you can see the Steam icon. Click on this and then click on settings. Now after clicking on settings, scroll down a bit until you see the option of Remote Play. Click on this remote play option and make sure that you have selected automatic to allow direct connection. And after that, you need to scroll down a bit more. Then you need to toggle this on off option of enable advanced host option. By turning this toggle on, you can enable all the advanced host options to play audio on host. You can change the desktop resolution to match the streaming client. You can use NVFPC capture on NVIDIA GPU if you have, and you can enable hardware encoding. And after that, when you enable the client options, this will enable all the advanced client options like what type of quality the client will see from your side, and you can just set it to default, enhanced or enhanced in 4K. You can just set these according to your wish and requirements, and this is how you can enable the remote play Steam to play the games together. And that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.